Where's he gonna go? He's done eating his supper yet?
Well, when he's done eating his supper, he'll fly away.
When is he done eating his supper?
Soon.
Is he eating all his supper? Mommy, that's a birdie.
I think it's a falcon.
Hey, Mommy, is he eating all his supper?
He is, baby.
Does he
He's getting big and strong by he eats all his supper.
Like I do. Like I eat that white chicken. I like it. And guess what, Mom?
What?
Guess what I did all that white chicken?
You ate it in your tummy?
Yeah, all of it.
Yummy.
And I ate all those noodles.
She said yummy in your tummy?
Yeah. I think he's about done.
Yeah. Are we bored now? Is that bird walking like that? It is.
I think that's Mama, or baby.
No, that's a big one.
She wouldn't be nesting over here anywhere.
No, she just eating that. That man. What kind of bird is that? It's a daddy bird.
Whatever she's eating is dead already. It's gotta be.
Yeah, it is dead.
That's that bird.
No, it's not.
What is it? Daddy bird. Daddy bird. Daddy bird. I know what he's eating.
What?
The sweet one.
Probably. Okay.
You bigger than that daddy bird and that mama bird? I like those birds.
Have a good baby girl.
Remember the two auntie birds?
How many have you taken?
I'm taking a video now.
Oh, are you?
Mommy.
You know, Daddy's taking videos.
I'll see what kind. I see what
Calm down with me.
kind of birdie. Oh, birdie! What's that this thing? Was that blood?
Here, we'll, come here, Taylor, I'll show you.
Come on, get down.
Get down with it. It's shaking the thing too much. You see it?
See that bird right there?
He's eating.
He's eating for a long time, right?
That is so cool. I've never seen this up close before. I wonder what he's got. It's something that's pretty neat.
Well, it's another bird.
You think it is?
Yeah, didn't you see all the feathers?
Yeah. But that could have been fur, too.
Hey, Mommy.
Like a rodent. But it caught it in the tree, I'm pretty sure.
Mommy, was he a baby before?
Probably.
And then he grew up really fast when a big bird came to him?
Hmm?
And then he just ate the baby bird?
You know why he grew up? Because he ate all of his food.
Yeah.
When it was supper time, he ate all of his food.
Am I bigger than him?
Yes, you was.
Way bigger because I grew up really faster than him?
Yes, sir.
Actually, he grew up faster than me. Because that's okay.
Okay, who wants to go inside with Mommy?
He eating for a long time, Dad.
You.
He eating for a long time? Mommy, why is he eating for a long time?
Where's your bracelet at?
Is he eating for a long time, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
I think he got more birds. Mommy. Hey, Mommy.
Taylor's bracelets are, or Weston, do you know where Taylor's bracelets are?
Hey, Mommy. I see. Hey, Mommy.